we have two different red clovers here. The first one is our common medium red clover. It's very inexpensive as far as red clover seed goes. And for a short-term stand, there's really not that much wrong with it. As you can see, there's not a lot of difference between it and the other one. This is our Southern Belle red clover. This is a second-year stand, and for 1-2 years, not going to be a huge amount of difference between these two. However, the difference between the Southern Belle and the common medium red is in disease tolerance. Red clover roots are attacked by a whole complex of diseases, northern anthracnose, southern anthracnose, and a lot of others. The better varieties of red clover will have much better tolerance to those diseases. And of course, the longer the stand is in place, the more those diseases tend to build up. So even though there's not much difference between these two right now, next year, I expect this will still be here and this will just look bad. And that's been my experience with the common medium red clover. Just does not persist very well. And you can get 3 or 4 years out of a plant on the better varieties, and 2 really is all you can ask for on the old common strains. Red clover, when compared to the other legumes, is very easy to establish. Comes up quick. You can establish it by broadcasting. My favorite way is to have some seed on hand. When you get a snow, I like to broadcast in the snow and establish it. Good seedling vigor, good shade tolerance, gets right with it compared to other clovers, and a lot of good first year and second year production out of it. I did mention it's 2-3 year lifespan on the plant, but it can be managed to reseed itself real well. Now, as far as productivity per acre, red clover in its peak, in its prime, is probably number 2 to alfalfa in terms of total forage productivity. And so it's used quite a little bit. It also has much less bloat potential than alfalfa, so it's much safer in a pasture setting, especially continuous unmanaged grazing.